What's the meaning of condescension? Condescension. Condescension.
Condescension. Condescension. Condescension refers to a patronizing attitude of someone who considers themselves superior and treats others with arrogance or disdain. This behavior implies a lack of respect for the person being addressed or discussed, and suggests a sense of superiority on the part of the condescending person. The result of condescension is often resentment or disengagement from the person being spoken to, as they may feel that their intelligence or worth is being belittled. Condescension is generally considered to be a negative trait in interpersonal communication and can harm relationships or create tension.